So, hello, this is a different video. Yesterday a friend came by and he brought me a box full of goodies. So let's unpack this box and see what's in it. I already found this very nice capillars from More and Right. It's English made. And here it is. More and Right, Sheffield, England. It's pretty nice. I don't think I clean it up. Maybe a little bit of grease, lubricant on it. And what we have more? I see this pressure couch. It's maybe nice to get on the wall if it works, like so. Maybe for a compressor in the future. And let's see. It's nice supportings. It's old. I love them. I already have a few hanging there. So that's an add to the collection. And you have this hair cutter. It's pretty cool. It's including all the combs and an extra spring. The cover. Like you use it like squeezing it together. Need some lubricant. There was a nice story around it, so I like that. Including 2 combs. The box. German made. I found it pretty cool. Certainly the colors of the box are appealing to me. Lovely plane. Wood. Don't know if this is handmade or factory. Can't find the brand on it, so maybe I have to look for it. Can clean it up a bit. And this save money. It's from the area. It's made in Dordrecht and by Lips. They also made safes, and they are very famous around here. So they make good stuff. There's no key with it. I think this is to feed a coin and flip it in. Something like that, so you can flip the coins out. I really don't know, it's cool. I think it was a kind of a giveaway. This is something I didn't see before. Looks like a pump for something. If you know what it is, let me know. It's yeah, well, it's not that old, I think. Seen in the knob. So let's see what's more. Some bobs like those. This is cool. This is not so cool, but I didn't have one already, so I found this pretty cool to have. I'm very glad he came by. They know I love the old stuff, so now they're knocking on the door, and this axe is also pretty cool. I don't know where the slot is for. So and there is a pick on the underside. It's a bit dry, so needs some cleaning up. If you know where the pick is for, then I'd love to know. It's is it a fire axe or pretty cool. Need to see if there is a brand. There are some letters here, but it's not readable. So maybe try to clean it a bit. See what's there. Some pulleys. Not that old, but cool enough. Candle holder from Rash. Don't know the age, I think maybe 40s, 50s. M couch. I think this is broken. It's sounding not really good, and it's already doing something. Cool to look at though. What do we have more? Some water taps. This is old wooden base. That's cool. That's a keeper for sure. Another water tap. There is another in it. And those I don't know. I think it's our kind of ornaments, some kind, from a clock maybe. Put on top an old key, brass key, 119. So maybe we once found a lock for it and use it, or just the fun part. This is a 2-liter canister. I think I put flowers in it, or another kind of pot. Pretty cool. I think I clean it up and make a flower pot of it again. It's all iron. And what we have here, oh, a flat screwdriver. I love this. I didn't have this in my collection yet, so thank you. That's a keeper. And not get too excited, but here we got a pretty big draw knife. Look, they put new handles on it. And I don't know if it is forged or factory made, but still pretty cool item. And this is a big one. Big chisel. It's a bit crooked, so I think they dinged a hammer on it. And there are a few holes. They've cleaned this up, grind it a bit. I think it's pretty usable. There's even a brand in it. So really need to clean that. And An old blowtorch. It's stuck in a shopping bag, so yes, there it is. This is cool, old brass. There's Forge stamped in the handle here. I think it's a cut-off cutting torch. Looks pretty neat. I'm gonna look if I can find some gas bottles for it. Here are another ornament. It's matching this one, so I think it was two on the sides and one in the middle. That's neat. Can always use that for something. Old marbles. Street maker's hammer. To cut off the stones. And yeah, really neat. Didn't have an old one. So I have a loaner. I think I can give that back now. For your boat to fasten the ropes. There are some screws left, so I need to drill them out if I want to use it. But beyond that, it's very cool and neat. So clean that up. This is a stone for fishing nets, and just for weight. So there's a rope in here, and by the weight it's hold down. And some very old ice skates. There were some leather belts in here to fasten as under your shoes. Pretty cool. And I may be cheating a bit. This old shopping bag, also cool. Not that old, but it's cool. And I'm a bit cheating, but I already had one out because I was buying a burner and this was in this box too. I cleaned it up a bit, put a gas hose on it, and it works pretty fine. I think it says Bartels, but I'm still not sure. But it's pretty cool. And you know, if you watch on my channel, I love those old burners. I use them to make coffee, boiling some eggs. So I think this is a box full of neat goodies. Gonna give them all a place. Look for working. Have to fix this, maybe make a new handle for it. And yeah, it's pretty loose, but it's cool though. I hope you like this video. It's a bit different, and I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know, and subscribe if you like this video. And I hope I find more items. And if you see something and you want to know more about it, or you know where this is from, the pump, let me know in the comments, and I love to hear from you. Bye bye.